In this video, I'm going to teach you every new code in Basketball Zero. So, so as of right now, which is September 13, it's already September, so I will show you the very updated code that we currently have as of this date. So as of right now, I have in here this article from B-Bomb about the updated code added recently as of September 8th. So we have in here the new Basketball Zero codes, which is Best Sports Game 2025. This code will give you 50 lucky spins, 50 lucky zone spins, 50 zone color spins, and 50 trail color spins. There's actually a lot of things that this code can give you right here, so make sure to redeem it before it expires. In here, we can also see the expired Basketball Zero codes. So pause your screen and take a screenshot for this in order to not waste any more time redeeming these expired codes that you can see right here. To redeem those codes, you just need to head over right here to your Basketball Zero, click on the codes right there, type in here the code that I have mentioned earlier and click on this redeem. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.